How can you solve the connection error in your Snapchat? If your Snapchat is showing, please check your connection error while using your Snapchat application. So how can you fix that issue? As you can see, there is an error called please check your connection. To you really have to check your connection that you are on a better network connection to use Snapchat, because Snapchat, Instagram are from those applications which takes a lot of data and they need a better connection to use them in a better flow. This is not WhatsApp that will consume a low data. This is Instagram or Snapchat. They will need a better connection. How can we solve that? Firstly, you just have to make sure that you're connected to a better Wi-Fi connection, and make sure your location has a good connection of internet, and make sure that if you're using your mobile data, the data speed is quite higher than 64 kbps. After that, you just have to put your phone on the flight mode for some seconds, like 3 or 4 seconds. You just have to put your phone on the flight mode. This is airplane mode, you can see, and this is just to make our phone refresh. And you can also restart your mobile phone. You can also switch off your mobile phone and switch it on. So the motive is to refresh our mobile phone from here. After that, the main thing is to go on your Snapchat application here like this and hold it for 3 or 4 seconds. Click on the app information in this setting here. This is application manager. You're using any Android phone, you will avail this setting. After that, click on the storage usage here. Clear your application cache, and your application is ready to use now. You won't face any error in your application now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you. If you have any confusion, any type of query regarding an application, just drop that into the comment section.